This video is a step-by-step walkthrough for setting up the Lightspeed Voice integration with Applied Epic. We'll cover how to connect your accounts, configure permissions, and unlock powerful features like automatic call logging, smart summaries, and sentiment analysis, all in one streamlined workflow.
We'll begin by logging into Lightspeed Voice in your browser. From there, head to the Integration Setup page in Quantum. You'll find it under Management, Lead Settings, Integrations. To create a new integration, click the plus icon in the top right corner. Name the integration Applied Epic and select it as the vendor. Next, decide who on your team should have access. Under the Users section, toggle Access On for individuals or use Select All to grant access company-wide in just a couple clicks. Now, to begin the connection, in the My Authentication box in the upper right corner, click Authenticate. To use the Lightspeed Voice integration with Applied Epic, it is required that you have an API Suite license. If you do not currently have this license, please reach out to your Applied Epic sales representative to begin the process of obtaining it. Once you have the license, or even if you're still waiting for it, you can go ahead and submit your credentials here so that setup can begin as soon as it's available. Check the appropriate box based on whether you currently have the API Suite license or not. Then enter your enterprise ID, client ID, and database name, and, although not required, domain for Applied Epic, and then click Submit. A team member from Lightspeed Voice will use the information you provide to complete the next steps on your behalf. Please note, once your API Suite license is active, the integration approval process with Applied typically takes about 2 to 3 business days, though timelines may vary depending on Applied. After the setup is complete, you'll be contacted by Lightspeed Voice, and you'll see the verified connection here in the My Authentication box. If you're using our award-winning AI, Nova, now's the time to unlock even more value. Enable smart triggers to automatically sync call summaries and sentiment analysis to your Applied Epic contacts, giving your team instant insights with zero extra effort.
I'll now do a demonstration of a call from the Lightspeed Voice dashboard, which features a built-in softphone. This softphone and the features I'm about to demonstrate are also available in the Lightspeed Voice desktop application. Once you're in a call, you'll notice a new Applied Epic icon alongside your other in-call features on the softphone. Just click the icon to expand the window, and if the caller's number is in your Applied Epic database, their contact details will instantly appear. This real-time connection opens the door to powerful functionality, giving you the ability to sync call data directly with Applied Epic without ever leaving your screen.
And this doesn't just apply to calls made through the desktop softphone. If you answer calls using a physical desk phone or the Lightspeed Voice mobile app, the integration still works. You'll receive a notification in the top right corner of your dashboard indicating whether a match has been found in Applied Epic, along with a button to view call details and take action just as you would during a softphone call.
At the top, you'll see the contact's name. Clicking it brings you straight to their profile in Applied Epic. Whether you're mid-conversation or wrapping up, you can update information with just a few clicks. By default, it logs the interaction as new activity. But if this call relates to an ongoing conversation, just choose Existing Activity and select the appropriate record from the list. Once an activity type is selected, new or existing, the rest of the activity form will look the same. You can attach the entry to an account or policy, choose the right activity code, assign an owner, and set the activity status and follow-up date. The activity description is auto-filled with key call details, like the direction, extension, and username, saving you time on manual input. Scroll down and you'll find the Notes section, which will capture a summary of the call. If the call is still in progress, some of the info may still be processing. But don't worry, it'll all be included once complete. You can customize the access level for the note and add any other relevant details before saving. Under Who to Contact, the caller's information is pre-filled based on Applied Epic data, but you can easily update it if needed. Once everything looks good, simply hit Save to log the call internally. If you have Insert on Hangup checked, all information will be sent to Applied Epic automatically after the call is completed. Now that we've wrapped up a call using the powerful Applied Epic integration, let's explore another key feature that helps tie everything together, your call log. Accessible with a single click right here on the Applied Epic button in the bottom left. This is your central hub for managing previous calls and making updates when needed. Across the top, you can quickly filter by user, date range, and call status, making it easy to find the call you're looking for. Under call status, you can choose from sent, in progress, incomplete, withheld, and failed. Calls marked as sent have already been pushed to Applied Epic, either automatically at hangup or from this menu here. So they're locked and ready for reference. Incomplete calls are ones you save for later edits. Let's click the edit icon on one to dive in. You'll recognize the same menu we used earlier, now updated with additional call details like duration and a link to the recording. And if you're taking advantage of Lightspeed Voice's AI features, you'll also see auto-generated sentiment and a smart summary, perfect for catching key takeaways at a glance. Once you're done, simply click Save and Send to push those updates straight into Applied Epic, and that entry is officially sent. Over in Applied Epic, if we head to our contact and check under activities, there it is, our call log and any notes captured during the interaction, complete with all the details you saved in Lightspeed Voice.
It's all about streamlining communication and making it easy to keep track of customer relationships. That's the power of integration, and that's Lightspeed Voice. If you'd like to learn more about how this integration can work for your team, just give us a call at 877-97-VOICE or send us an email at info@lightspeedvoice.com. Thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice, where we're more than just talk.